Hi, this is Maggie from Crafts the Charm. Welcome to a 2-minute technique. Today's technique is finding the center of a circle. And yes, sometimes it's fine to just eyeball this, but other times you want to find the exact center of a circle. So to do this, you're going to need either a compass, a homemade temporary compass, which I will show you how to make, or just paper, a pencil, and scissors. So to start, if you're drawing the circle from scratch, then use a compass to draw the circle. This will make it easy to draw a perfect circle, and you will know where the center is. That's where you put down the point of the compass. Compasses are inexpensive. For example, you can buy them at the Dollar Tree. Now suppose you want to draw a circle and you need to know the center and you don't have a compass and you can't get one. If you have a pin or needle, a pencil, and something rigid like this craft stick, then you can create a compass yourself. So I'm going to use both hot glue and masking tape. What we really don't want is for there to be any wobbling at all. And you're going to make a triangle with your pin or needle and pencil, and I'm going to hot glue those together. And you want the tip of the pencil to be even with the tip of the needle. You also want the distance between them to be the radius of your circle. That's half the distance across. You're then going to take your craft stick and again use hot glue and glue it near the bottom of your triangle, but of course not the exact bottom, and then tape over that, make sure nothing wobbles. You can then use that like a compass and it will make a perfect circle. Finally, suppose you already have something that's circular and you want to find the center of it. You can trace around it on a piece of paper and then cut that circle out as carefully as you can and fold it in half twice to make an X, and then that is the center of your circle, so you can poke a hole in that and then draw through it with a pencil onto your circular object to mark the center of that object. This is a really useful thing to know how to do for many projects. Happy crafting!